how to find player display settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find player display settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find the display, and now click on it. And as you see here, you will find player settings, this one, the last one here, and you can manage it if you want, and then go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find player display settings on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.